Looking for affordable matte lipstick that feel high-end? I just tried Pakalure Matte Lippies, and girl, they surprised me in the best way. Ang ganda ng packaging, very social tignan, and magnetic pa yan. Pero budget friendly. Got two shades here, and ito yung swatches nila at the back of my hand. This is 105 and this is 301. This is the shade 105 and itry natin siya sa lips. Shade 105. O, di ba? Feel like a main character sa teleserye. Iniwan pero bumongga. Super matte siya pero surprisingly, hindi siya drying. Next is the shade 301. This one, ito yung shade na isusuot mo habang sinasabi mong, I'm not mad, I'm just done. Ang lakas maka-independent woman. Both shades are giving. Itong shade 105, perfect for everyday use. Parang soft girl lang yung dating. And the shade 301 is parang maldita look, ganon. Perfect to pag gusto mong maging strong yung dating mo or yung vibe mo. Perfect for girlies na budgetera pero empowered. Final verdict, budolable. Kung naghahanap ka ng lipstick na pasok sa budget pero panalo ang quality, Pakalure might just be your next favorite. Nandyan lang sa basket if gusto mong sabayan akong maging Foca Fabulous.